Hybrid vehicles use sophisticated warning light systems to communicate the health of their complex electrical and mechanical components. Understanding these warning lights is crucial for maintaining your hybrid vehicle safely and efficiently. Hybrid warning lights follow a color coded severity system that helps drivers understand the urgency of each situation. This system uses three main colors to indicate different levels of attention required. Now let's examine the 5 most important warning lights you'll encounter in hybrid vehicles. Each light indicates a specific system or component that requires attention. The master warning light appears as a triangle with an exclamation mark. This is your vehicle's way of alerting you that multiple systems may need attention, and you should check your dashboard display immediately. The hybrid system warning light shows a car with a lightning bolt symbol. This specifically indicates issues with the hybrid powertrain, including the electric motor, battery system, or power control unit. The battery warning light displays a battery symbol and can indicate problems with either the high-voltage hybrid battery or the traditional 12-volt auxiliary battery that powers your vehicle's electronics. Now, let's examine what causes these warning lights to activate. Understanding the root causes helps you respond appropriately and communicate effectively with service technicians. High-voltage battery issues account for 40% of hybrid warning lights. These include cell degradation, where individual battery cells lose capacity over time, cooling system failures that cause overheating, and connection corrosion that disrupts power flow. Inverter and converter problems cause 25% of warning lights. The inverter converts DC battery power to AC for the electric motor, while converters manage power between different voltage systems. Common issues include overheating, power module failures, and software glitches. The 12-volt auxiliary battery, which powers your vehicle's electronics and computers, causes 20% of hybrid warning lights. Even though hybrids have large high-voltage batteries, they still rely on a traditional 12-volt battery that can fail or develop charging system issues. Finally, sensor malfunctions account for 15% of warning lights. Modern hybrid vehicles rely on numerous sensors to monitor temperature, voltage, and current throughout the system. When these sensors fail or provide incorrect readings, warning lights activate to protect the vehicle's components. Understanding these warning lights and their common causes empowers you to respond appropriately when they appear. Remember that hybrid warning lights are designed to protect your vehicle's complex systems, and prompt attention can prevent more serious and expensive problems. When a hybrid warning light appears, start with a systematic initial assessment. First, carefully note all active warning lights on your dashboard. Next, check for any unusual sounds, smells, or performance issues. These can provide important clues about the nature of the problem. A critical step is verifying your 12-volt auxiliary battery voltage, which should read 12.4 volts or higher when the vehicle is off. A weak 12 volts battery often triggers hybrid warning lights. Phase 2 involves basic diagnostics using an OBD2 scanner. This tool retrieves fault codes that pinpoint specific system issues. Modern hybrid vehicles provide detailed system information through their energy monitor displays. This shows the current state of the hybrid battery and power flow between components. Once you've identified the issue, there are several reset methods available. Start with the simplest approach first. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for at least 15 minutes. This clears temporary faults and resets system parameters. Some critical fault codes require professional dealer reset using manufacturer-specific diagnostic tools. Don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Remember that modern hybrid systems are designed to fail safely. Even with warning lights active, most vehicles can continue operating in reduced power mode, allowing you to reach a service location safely.